creme brulee. It's a classic dessert, but I'm gonna put my twist on it. I'm gonna add a little bit of white miso, which is gonna give this creme brulee an almost caramel taste. If you ever had a caramel bar, imagine that, but in a creme brulee form, with a crust that is caramel and that you crack through. It's just like drama in a dessert form, and I love it. What you will need for this recipe is a ramekin. So I've got a couple of different types here, but I've only got 2 of each, so I'm gonna be using 6 different ramekins. The ingredients for this are super simple. You just need sugar, egg yolks, cream, milk, vanilla, miso. That's it. And your favourite type of white chocolate. I almost forgot. Right, let's get going. Take your vanilla pod and you're gonna slice down the middle. We're going to be scraping the seeds from the vanilla pod, and you're gonna put them straight into a pot, and then whack in the pod as well. Add milk and cream. About 2 teaspoons of miso. Then we're gonna bring this to the boil and put it on a low simmer, just to let it infuse. Then take your whisk and pop in 4 egg yolks and sugar. And we're just gonna whisk that together. This milk is smelling delicious. It's been infusing with a bit of vanilla and the miso for about 20 minutes. And I'm gonna pour this straight over my eggs and sugar. Strain it in. Gonna give that a little mixerooski, and then you can crack in your favourite white chocolate. I'm partial to a little milk bar, and they're just gonna melt straight into there. See these like lumps of chocolate that are just starting to melt already. And you wouldn't want to put this back on the heat again because it's going to overcook the chocolate. This is your custard mixture done, and I'm just going to filter it one more time just to make sure that everything's super smooth. It can be a little bit tricky to get your creme brulees in the oven cleanly. Now this is a little trick. You want to be filling them directly into the oven. So we're going to put our tray and put that directly into the oven, and we're going to fill in the oven.
Add boiled water directly to the oven.
Take the creme brulees out of the oven when they just have a little wobble. These have actually been in the oven for an hour, and then allow them to fully cool in the fridge. To finish it off, sprinkle with sugar. Light covering, and get your blowtorch. If you can hear that, that is the caramel that is hardened up, and I'm so excited to try this. I'm gonna break it up. Look at that. Whoa. Delicious. That is like a winner, and it's so easy and quick to do. It's salty, it's creamy, it's so intense, and absolutely fuss free, and takes a classic and puts a spin on it. Thanks for watching the video, and if you made this miso creme brulee, make sure you tag @CHEFPHILLI on socials and I'll make sure to share it. And if you want to keep up to date on all my new recipes, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Until next time, keep cooking and see you later.